Hey, it's Steph and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm actually going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be showing you how I make a beautiful floral arrangement using only Trader Joe's flowers. So I went to the store just now and I got a bunch of beautiful roses and ranunculus and different things. So I'll show you everything I got. I also went to a thrift store and I picked up a nice big round jar that I'm going to use as the vase. I'm going to be doing this floral arrangement for my mom. It's her birthday, so happy birthday, Mom, if you're watching this. I love floral arranging. It's just kind of a fun hobby that I've gotten into over the past few years. I normally do home interior related stuff, and I thought florals are always a beautiful way to decorate the space. If you watch my hot take video, you know that I don't typically like houseplants, and I would much rather do branches, which you can see here, or flowers, fresh flowers. Without further ado, let's just start arranging. A pack of mums, a bundle of carnations. I got 2 ranunculus, a wax flower, dusty pink roses, just some greenery, white roses. Here's my other ranunculus, pink veronica, and says these little berries, they're St. John's Wort. So for a larger arrangement, I'm going to be taping off the vase just to help the flowers stay in place better, and I only have packing tape, so that's what I'm going to be using. And I have this really large jar that I just got at the thrift store. This was $4, so I always recommend if you're looking for a vase, go to the thrift store. It's nice and wide and it's low, which is what I was looking for, something low and wide to do the arrangement in. I have my shears and then a bunch of my flowers. So I'm going to start off with taping across like a nice crisscross pattern, and then we'll get started. I'm doing my best to split this down the middle just so it's not so wide, but I would just use regular tape if you have it. That looks really junky, but it will do the job, so sometimes you just gotta make do with what you have. Okay, so I have all of my flowers unpacked. I put some flower food in the water, and what I normally like to do is I have 2 different strategies. I'll either start with like the biggest flower that I have, or my feature flower, which in this case is going to be the roses. So I'm going to start taking the roses and taking off all these extra leaves and placing those in. Okay, and something else that I like to do is I like to blow in the roses to help encourage them to open. So you can see this is what it looks like. Just helps slightly open them up. Okay, so I have a good start here with the roses, and I kind of do things in threes, and I want them to sort of go in different directions. Now I'm gonna grab a couple ranunculus, and these ones do not look like the best, but I really wanted ranunculus in the arrangement, so they probably won't last very long, but they'll just add a little bit of something. See, they're like really, really bad. I probably shouldn't have bought these, but oh well. And in larger arrangements, I also like to sort of group things. I think that helps. And then later on you can add single sections in together. And this is a nice big one altogether, so I'll keep it as a bunch. Just gonna trim the end. gotten most of the main flowers in and it's looking really nice, so I'm gonna start going in now. By the way, I'm not using the mums. I just didn't like that the way that they played off the other ones, so if you want a similar look, then I would do without the mums. But I still have one rose left. It's always nice to have like one of your main flowers left at the end so you can pop in where it needs something. And now I'm gonna start going in with these like filler flowers that I have to fill in the space. I think I'm done, so I'm just gonna clean up and then I'll show you what it looks like from all around. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know if you like these different sort of floral arrangement videos. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!